don't know if I blew up the pit bike or not, or it's about to blow up, but it's smoking pretty bad. Look at that tire. Oh my god. I didn't want to push it anymore because my leg was burning on the exhaust. It was getting so hot. Look at the carnage. There's just rubber everywhere. I mean, there's even like some rubber up here, like on the seat and stuff. I don't know how good that was for the engine, but oh well. Oh my god, I don't even know if you guys can see up there. Sweet, it's not smoking, so I don't think I blew it up, but I'm pretty sure that put a lot of weight on the engine. Oh my god, dude, it got a drag slick. This tire was shot in the first place. Owner before me liked to do burnouts too, I could just tell by the tread. Oh my god. Jesus. Yeah, the trailer, it actually wasn't too bad. I don't have a spot of concrete in my yard that would be good for burnout, so the trailer should do. And the trailer held up pretty good. I mean, I can't tell. It probably scraped off all the spray paint on there, but you can't really tell because the rubber kind of took its place. I honestly don't know if that was longer than the other burnout. I don't want to go to flat either because I gotta reuse this tube. You can see there's a hole in the tire right there. And there might be another one here. But yeah, that is definitely a hole right there. Oh my god. Quite the rig we got going up here too. A golf cart. Would have been cooler with a four-wheeler, but the four-wheeler just got wiring problems, so I'm gonna break out the trusty golf cart. Dude, just look at that. There's just rubber everywhere. That's gonna be real fun to wash off. Damn, that's pretty hot. Dude, it just melted all the things, dude. Oh my god. I don't know, I think this one might have topped off my 150s burnout. I don't know, I don't know why, but on my 150s I was in only second on my 150s burnout, but then this burnout, I got her up to third. I was just holding it wide the whole time in third. Surprised it didn't hit rev limiter, but then it started bogging towards the end. Dude, it was so hot. The rubber started just getting stuck to the trailer. I had to lift it up. It was like stuck onto it. Anyways, I got a freshy tire anyways, so I got the freshie on there. I put that on yesterday. But yeah, I wanted to burn this off, but I didn't have any friends to help me film because everyone's busy. So, yeah, because I need fresh tires anyways because I'm going to try to do the pit bike races at Cattle Congress next weekend. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.